Today's video is an awareness video, an alert on coronavirus status all over the world. Hello friends and viewers, welcome to my channel SP Astrocharm. So today in this video, my discussion topic will be only focusing on two countries, USA and India, and their horoscope analysis for COVID-19. India horoscope I already explained in my previous video. You can go to my channel and watch from there. I will also provide a link in the description box, as well as right now it is flashing in the I button also. You can click and watch from there. So today's video is very important. Please watch this video till the end to know about the USA and India as well as the world coronavirus situation. The main burning and concerning problem we all are facing right now is that when will coronavirus actually go? Or you can say, when will we overcome the terror and fear of this pandemic and lead a mask-free, without social distancing, social life means back to normal life? Let's discuss. The current scenario is that after July 4 weekend, that is USA Independence Day celebration, coronavirus cases are rising again here slowly. Some experts are saying it third wave, some naming it fourth wave. But according to my analysis of USA horoscope, this is third wave coming. And you might see a peak of corona cases around from the month of September till November 2021. So this is the time we need to be prepared again. Please make yourself mentally prepared to follow all COVID protocols sincerely if you are living in the USA. Whether you are vaccinated or not, it is for everyone, because no vaccine is 100% providing protection. It may act as a shield of protection, but yes, there is no guarantee. Also, after this third wave, you can see a sudden downfall in the cases. But there will be again, but last fourth wave might be coming. That will be around February to April 2022. This would not be as dangerous as the third wave and second wave, but still we need to be extra careful from this nasty virus. Around May-June 2022, that is the summer time in USA, you can see a great downfall in the cases. And hopefully, that will be the time USA will be progressing slowly towards the pandemic-free world. People will start enjoying mask-free life around summertime 2022 in USA. It's not like cases would be completely zero, but it might be fluctuating with their lower numbers. So this is the overall prediction about corona cases according to USA horoscope analysis. Now let's talk about India. For India, I already predicted in my previous video in detail. So I am just summarizing the main points here. India suffered a lot in its second wave. Third wave might also be big, depends on the vaccination rate in India and people alertness and awareness. But as far as my analysis, it will not be as big as the second wave. Third wave might come around February till April 2022. And fourth wave around September till November 2022. Fourth wave mostly, I guess it will be mild. So still there is a long way to go and we all need to be extra careful. So please don't lose your patience, courage and hope. Please follow all the COVID protocols. And lastly, let's talk about pandemic-free, corona-free world. As I have already predicted in my previous video, that is India chart COVID analysis video, that 2022 end or 2023 starting, that will be the year when hopefully we all see an end to this pandemic. Right now we all are listening that second wave in that country, third wave in this country, first wave in other country, etc. etc. All countries are not free at this time with the coronavirus cases. But in 2023 starting, hopefully every country will be corona free pandemic free, mask free, sanitizer free, social distancing free. Oh my god, so many restrictions we all are facing right now. May God bless all pure souls and show right path to corrupt and cruel people. We all want to enjoy this beautiful life with our beloved family, friends, relatives, kids. Kids are the purest souls. They also stuck behind these four walls during this pandemic time. So, oh God, please bless us and forgive our mistakes and please show the right path to follow. Whatever I have predicted in this video about all the time frames, 1 month plus and minus is very much expected because we don't have exact details of horoscopes. Whatever available online or on the internet, we take data only. So thank you very much for watching this important video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. And please let me know in comment section, what did you feel in this pandemic time? What did you learn during this time? Thank you once again. Stay safe and stay healthy.